What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here gonna show you how to cheating followers Instagram. There. Well, we have to search get followers. Yeah. Internet just once. Yeah. Download it now for 6. Download file. Download as a free member. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, I can see that. Social star get followers. By the way, this works. I already tried it when I got my I don't know. And there's so much many more, but I think that is the good one. %50. How long I can get this? Let's just check. Just forget that. I just want to say to my friends, and I don't think so, maybe. Okay. App installed. Oh, just okay. I just want to show you my emoji. This is what happens that my tutorial, that the video I made before this video, and this is what happens when I look. But it doesn't too much because my phone is Samsung Galaxy S4 and this is a panda. It's a horse, no unicorns or anything like that. Or pizzas. Okay, so we'll back to the cheat followers. Okay, here we go. Log in with Instagram. So my username is LDZXI _ what is this? here. Let's forget about it. My username is LDZXA_, and my password is. So here you go. So you just press this. If your coins is full, you can buy it. But I warn you, don't unfollow the followers, because look, to just screenshot it. Okay, and I can zoom it. Okay, touch view, la 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 la. And you can see this. To protect the user's rights, we will withdraw 2 coins if you unfollow this user. That's why you cannot unfollow the user. So I'm just editing. So thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment and give me the thumbs up for more videos. So bye.